Hello viewers, welcome to Gadget Spares. Today I have this JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers spare parts for sale. This is harvested from working JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. This is full version of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. I am saying full version because this has JBL Connect options. This is not stealth edition or special edition. This is full version. This has mic as well to take calls and for Google Voice Assistants and Apple Siri. So I have all the major spare parts for sale here. This is first time in YouTube. I am selling this type of spare parts in complete YouTube platform. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gadget Spares. So this type of spare parts is not available in the local market, so please don't compare the prices with our prices because these are harvested from original JBL Bluetooth speakers. So there will be so many speakers with the same size like these speakers, and there will be motherboard like this, maybe some equivalent motherboards or copy motherboards. There will be price difference in our product, and as well as please don't compare the local market prices and our prices, though our prices will be very less, very competitive price. So the main point here is the availability is the main point. I challenge you, please do search in the complete YouTube platform. Nobody will be selling this type of spare parts. So this is the first time I am selling in Gadget Spares. So don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's start. Let me start what I am going to sell here. So first I will tell you, this is the motherboard of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. This is working, 100% working, completely tested and harvested. So this has been working speaker which is disassembled and kept here to sell. The point here of disassembling is so many people's asking that they need motherboard or they need this type of reflectors, base radiators, or they need this type of drivers only. So to buy this type of drivers, they have to buy all the speakers. So that is waste of money. Here I am disassembling so that the end user who wants what type of spares, they can buy that only, like this Bluetooth antenna. If you want only Bluetooth antenna, that is available here. So this is the JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker full version motherboard. This has JBL Connect option and this has mic. That is the difference between full version and essential and stealth edition. So this is not compatible for stealth edition or essential edition. You cannot replace this motherboard with those models. So before buying, please don't forget to check which series it belongs to. To identify the series, I am showing you one thing here. So before buying any spare parts, please check your Bluetooth speaker. Flip 3 will be like this. So full version will have this JBL Connect option. Please notice this one. In essential and in stealth edition, this JBL Connect option won't be there, and this will not have any antenna. There are few components which is compatible to essential and stealth edition. I will tell you clearly in this video. So please don't miss to watch any part of the video. Watch the video completely so that it will be helpful for you. So if you want to know what series is your speaker, just you have to check. You have JBL Connect option and you have to take out this charging flap here, and you can check here what is written. You can see there is option, the serial number starts with TL. So if your speaker is TL and your speaker has this JBL Connect option like this, then this is completely compatible. You can install any part, it will work. And there is one more series called ND series. I have spare parts of ND series as well, but in this video I am not showing. I am just showing ND series driver here. Rest everything is TL series. So to identify your speaker which series, you have to open this flap and see TL series, and you have to check whether this JBL Connect button is there or not, because in essential and stealth edition, if you open and check the flap, TL series will be there, but that will not have this JBL Connect option. And even you can see here there is mobile receiver icon is here. In stealth edition and essential edition, the triangle button will be there here. In this full version, like this, mobile receiver button will be there. So this is one identification. Rest all it will look like same. Alright, now let's start continuing the video. So if you want to buy these any spare parts, you can just go through the description, click in the given below description and check the prices of each and individual prices I will mention there. Whichever you want, you can purchase that by just doing WhatsApp message here. I will give the WhatsApp number here in the video, the top section. Alright, now I will tell you what is the spare parts here available. So this is the motherboard, as I have said earlier. So this is the one spare part here. This is the control board of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. This has two buttons. One is turn on and turn off, and the other one is JBL Connect button, this one. So this is for sale. So this has this flex cable connector as well. So if you have any problem with this board, you can buy this board. I will give the price in the description, you can check. This is the cover of the control board, main control board. So if you want this, you can buy this as well with together. And this is the volume control board which comes here. Let me show you. So this is the buttons, Bluetooth button, minus, plus, and call, attend, disconnect button. This is the board which controls that activity. Like Bluetooth button is this button, minus is this one, plus is this one, and call, attend, disconnect is this one, like that. So if you want to buy this, you can check the description again as well. And this is the cover. This is the cover of this control board. So if you want to buy this as a pair, you can buy. And this is the main charging board. You can directly install this by replacing, by taking away your old charging board and just install this charging board. This is 100% working perfectly. Most of the people will have this charging problem. This connector will go. This is very difficult to get online, or you will just get the copy of this USB, or you will get the copy of this USB socket. Instead of that, you can directly install this original JBL Flip 3's charging board for very less price, very competitive price. I will give the price in the description again. So if you want to buy this, you can buy and install in your speaker. Then this is the base radiator of JBL Flip 3 full version TL series. This is one side and this is the other side. If you want to buy, you can buy this to replace, because so many people are asking that this reflector breaks and the air leaks happens, distortion will be there. In that case, they can replace this base radiator. And for DIY projects also, you can buy and use this original JBL base radiator. And this is the main driver here. This is harvested again from this speaker. Original JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers, base driver, the speaker full range driver. So this is 8 watts each RMS. So together it is 16 watts RMS. So if you have any problem with your TL series of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker, or even in ND series, you can install this. ND series driver will come like this. Both are similar, just the design is different. This is also 8 watts RMS each. So together it is 16 watts RMS. So that's it for this driver. Now I will show you the antenna here. This is the Bluetooth antenna. So many people, while taking out the battery or while taking out the motherboard, they break this antenna. In that case, you can buy this to install in your speaker. Without this antenna, your distance of the Bluetooth speaker will not work properly. You have to keep your mobile very near to the speaker. In that case, the sound will come. Without this, that problem happens. With this, 10-meter distance will come easily between phone and the speaker. So this is the Bluetooth antenna. Again, the price I will give in the description. And this is the mic. This comes only in full version of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. If you have any problem with the mic, in that case, you can buy and replace this mic, which is harvested again from JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. Price I will give it in the description. And these are the main flex cable. This is the main flex cable, and this is for the control board, like Bluetooth button, volume minus, plus, and call, attend, disconnect button. For this board, this flex cable comes. So many people break this flex cable as well. In that case, you can buy here and install it. This is original, which is harvested from Flip 3. Price I will give it in the description. And this is the main cable which controls this board, the on-off board. This is on-off board and JBL Connect button board. So this cable belongs to this. The one side of this flex cable will go to this place here, and the other side will go to the motherboard here, this point. And this is the cover of charging port and auxiliary input. If you want to buy this, price I will give it in the description. And finally, this is the cover of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. This is also for sale separately here. If you want to buy, if you have damaged cover, I will send a fresh cover. Price I will give it in the description again. And if you have any problem in the shell here, this is the complete shell of JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. If you want to buy this, price I will give it in the description. And battery, as of now I have not kept here. I will post a video of battery for this type of speaker. Definitely I will upload very soon. You can buy the battery by watching that video as well. Alright, this is the spare parts. Now I am going to tell you, this speaker you can use it as DIY. If you want to build your own Bluetooth speaker, do it yourself Bluetooth speaker. In that case, what is mandatory to purchase, I will tell you. So main thing is first, motherboard is required. So this is the motherboard, one thing is required, and this is the control board to turn on and turn off this motherboard. You have to buy this board as well, and to increase decrease volume and to pair this board is required. So 1 2 3 is required, and this is also required because to charge the speaker this charging port is required. Otherwise just buying this motherboard, it is meaningless because you cannot charge the speaker here. And to use these two boards you have to buy this to control the two flex cables, and you have to buy this antenna here if you want to take a call, or if you want to use Google Voice Assistant or Siri. In that case this is optional, this is not mandatory. And this antenna is required because the distance it will not cover when it is connected to mobile. For long distance like 10 meter you have to use this antenna. This antenna will get connected here in this point. And this base radiator is optional. If you want you can buy. This is not required to bring this in use. And even the speakers you can use any other speaker as well if you don't want to use. If you want to use bigger size speakers like 3 inches, in that case you can buy speaker somewhere else. And even this housing is not required, and this cover is also not required. The mandatory part I will tell you is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is mic is 7, and this Bluetooth antenna is 8. This is minimum required for your DIY projects. So I will put this as a package as well in the description. Prices I will give there for that package as well for DIY projects, and individually also I will give the prices in the description. So be patient and just go through the description for prices, because so many people without seeing the description they ask prices. So it will be helpful for us as well. If you go through the prices in the description, then it will be very easy for you to make a decision whether to buy or not. So I have explained the DIY project 8 main parts, and this motherboard is of 16 watts RMS. This is 16 watts RMS. The main point is this is not simple 16 watts RMS like local market amplifier board. This is very powerful and a very quality motherboard, 100% quality guaranteed without any compromise. The audio quality will be 100% superior compared to any local market motherboards, any amplifiers like that. So as I said earlier, this speakers is not mandatory for your DIY projects. This is 16 watts RMS. You can put even 20 watts RMS speaker with this. This amplifier will definitely drive that speakers which is of 20 or 25 watts RMS each. You have to just match the speaker. Based on that it will definitely work. The speaker should be of full range. It should not be like a subwoofer or like that 25 watts. It should be a full range like this. The speaker what you buy for DIY projects, that should be full range speaker with which supports low frequency, mid frequency and high frequency. It is not specific like if you put tutor and the bass will not come and the tutor will burn. And if you put low frequency subwoofer kind of thing for 10 watts 15 watts subwoofer also comes. In that case you will not get vocals and high frequencies. So before buying speakers you just check that out. So that's it for the video. I'm just winding it up here. And to buy any of these products you can check the prices in the description. There is no cash on delivery option, so please don't ask for cash on delivery. As of now there is no cash on delivery option. You have to pay in advance to buy this product. Once you pay the money, immediately it will be shipped to your place, your address using India Post, Pan India, anywhere in India. Definitely the parcel will receive, you will receive the parcel. So tracking number will be given with the India Post slip. Once we post, we get the slip. That slip we will capture the photo and send to your WhatsApp number. So you can just follow up if you want to track the product where it is located. So that's it as of now. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Gadget Spares, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you will get the updated videos notification to see the video immediately and to buy the product as well. And write comment in the comment section if you have any questions regarding this, and you can do message on the above WhatsApp number to buy this any spare parts, or if you have any queries you can message to the above WhatsApp number. Our sales executive will reply to you 100%. Thanks for watching the video here again. Bye.